In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Classroom Calendar for students. This powerful tool can help you stay organized and manage your academic responsibilities efficiently. You'll be amazed at how easily you can keep track of assignments, quizzes, and important class events within just a few clicks. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to classroom.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account. This is crucial because only through your account can you access your classes and their respective calendars. Once you're logged in and ready to go, you'll see an overview of all your classes on the homepage. Next, identify the class you want to check. Simply click on the class name from your list and it will take you to the class homepage. Here you will find various tabs including Stream, Classwork and People. For our purposes, you'll want to focus on the Classwork tab, which is located at the top of the page. Click on the Classwork tab and this is where the magic begins to happen. On the left side you'll see an option labelled Google Calendar. Click this link and it will open the calendar that is specific to the class you're currently viewing. This class specific calendar is a centralized space where all class events are organized, so you never have to worry about missing a deadline or important date again. Now that you're in the right calendar, let's explore how to use Google Classroom Calendar to its fullest potential. First off, you can easily view all your assignments and deadlines. Google Classroom automatically adds all assignments, quizzes, and events that have due dates directly to your calendar. Just click on any calendar entry to see more details, such as the descriptions, attached files, and any other pertinent information your teacher may have provided. To make sure you're not overwhelmed, here are a few helpful tips. Try to make it a routine to check your Google Calendar every morning. This daily habit will keep you on top of your tasks and well prepared for any upcoming deadlines. Additionally, consider customizing the color of different class calendars. This simple visual cue can significantly enhance your organization, making it easy to see what's due at a glance. Finally, take advantage of Google Tasks. This handy feature integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar, allowing you to create and manage to-do lists alongside your class schedules. By mastering Google Classroom Calendar, you'll find yourself better prepared and more in control of your academic life. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you find these insights useful as you navigate your academic journey. Happy learning!